The polynomials that I chose are x squared plus 3x plus 2 and x squared plus 5x plus 6. So using my mat, I'm going to go ahead and start with x squared plus 3x plus 2. So I know that I need an x squared, and then I need 3 x's. So I have 1, 2, 3, and then plus my 2. So I need 2 1's. And what I have to do to figure out the factors is put them in a way that it makes a perfect rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and put my x's, one on the top, one on the side. And then I'm just going to guess and check and put this one on the top. Now I have this empty space here, so I can go ahead and fill that in with my 2 1's. And now I have a perfect rectangle, so that helps me figure out the answer. Down here, to get an x squared, I know that I'm going to need an x times another x on the side. And then to end up with just an x by itself, since I already have an x here, I just need a single 1. And then my 2 x's up here, since I already have an x down here, I need a 1, because 1 times x is x, and 1 times x is x. Now I know I'm finished, because to get my 1's right here, I already have my 1 down here, and I already have my 2 1's on the side. So my answer in factored form would be x plus 1 times x plus 2. For x squared plus 5x plus 6, I'm going to go ahead and remove my previous work. I'm going to leave my x squared here because I need the same one. Now I need 5 x's, so here's my 3, and then 4 and 5, and then I need 6 1's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to go ahead and follow the same steps. I need to arrange these in some sort of a perfect rectangle so that I can figure out how to factor it. So I'm going to put up my x's. Since I have an odd number again, I'm going to start with 2 and 2. And then I'm just going to guess and check by putting the x up here and seeing if I can fill in this empty space using my 1's. So I would need a row right here, a row right here, and then a row at the top. And this looks like it's going to work out perfectly. Once I have this arranged as a rectangle, I can figure out my answers for my factors. So if I have an x squared, again, I'm going to need an x on the bottom and an x on the side. And then since I already have an x here, to get these 2 x's, I just need my 2 1's on the bottom, since 1 times x is x. And then on the side, I have my 3 x's, but since I already have an x here, I just need to fill them in with 1's, because again, 1 times x is x. And then I know this is correct because when I look at my 6 1's over here, they come from the 3 times the 2 at the bottom. So my answer to x squared plus 5x plus 6 factored would be x plus 2 times x plus 3.